Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best time to apply for uncapped funding. This is a question I get asked all the time, and based on my own experience building and financing businesses, the straightforward answer is when your business is ready to scale. Forget trying to time the market or worrying about a fund-specific cycle. Those things are external. What matters most is your internal readiness, because uncapped funding, often revenue-based or non-dilutive financing, is highly focused on one thing: your existing financial traction. I've learned that the absolute best time is when you've achieved a few key milestones. First, you need proven product market fit. This isn't just having a few customers. It means you have a product or service that people consistently pay for and use, and your business model is repeatable. When I first applied to this kind of funding, I made sure I had a solid 6 to 12 months of steady, predictable monthly recurring revenue, MRR. They aren't investing in a great idea. They're investing in a great engine. Second, your financials must be clean and easily accessible. Uncapped funding providers typically use algorithms to assess your risk and funding capacity. The faster and more clearly you can connect your sales accounts, bank statements, or accounting software, the better. When I applied, I spent a few days making sure all my data was perfectly categorized. The goal is to make the decision as easy as possible by showing a clear, positive trajectory. If your revenue is fluctuating wildly, they'll see that, and it's not the best time. Third, and critically important, you must have a clear, high ROI plan for the capital. This type of funding is generally used for growth expenses, inventory, marketing spend, or hiring. You need to be able to show that $1 in funding will directly generate $2 or $3 in return. For example, I secured funding to significantly increase my ad budget, and I had already tested that campaign and knew its conversion rates. Don't apply just to lengthen your runway. Apply to accelerate proven growth. So when is the best time? It's not a date on a calendar. It's the moment you can confidently look at your data and say, my business is growing predictably, my numbers are clean, and I have a tested strategy that this capital will pour fuel on. When you hit those 3 points, that's your window. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.